Greetings everyone, I am Fezzington, and welcome to Fail Corner. Today we are actually going to see a pair of instances where the police are the ones who fail, due to criminals who ironically manage to smartly perform an act of stupidity.
A sheriff's deputy escorting a man in a wheelchair into court wasn't expecting this to happen.
Okay, that did not just happen.
The Pulaski County Sheriff in Arkansas says Joel Sanchez Delgado was being brought to court to face multiple charges, including residential burglary and theft of services. He reportedly claimed during his arrest that he was injured, so he was brought to the hospital. But he seemed to have miraculously recovered steps away from the entrance to the courthouse. The deputy's body cam caught the whole incident, even showing him chasing the suspect on foot.
Oh, I'ma catch you, baby. I'm finna shoot your
The deputy searched up and down the streets of Little Rock looking for the suspect, even asking for help from people on the street.
Call the police for me. Hey, call the police. Call the police. What way it go? This way?
Then he circled back to the courthouse, hoping someone might have seen the suspect.
The wheelchair dude ran. He had a neck brace on and all that.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Didn't need that wheelchair very much, did he?
No Sherlock.
Hell no.
Delgado was gone, but not for long. The sheriff's office says he was apprehended a few hours later. Now he faces an additional charge of third-degree escape. Delgado has pleaded not guilty to all charges against him.
I can't imagine what his defense will be in court. Is he going to claim that he was cured by a miracle from God, and then he took it as a sign that he was forgiven of his crimes? Now let's move on to another genius who decided he was above the whole, facing consequences for his actions.
Just give me a minute.
Are you serious?
Oh, no.
That poor officer. I imagine his colleagues were laughing about this for years and probably made room in their budget for some bars on the windows. Not to worry though, this escapee was later caught as well, and also got some more serious charges for his quick thinking. The lesson to be learned here is that you may think that you have the ultimate plan to escape justice, but inevitably it will catch up to you, whether it be later like the two escapees, or more immediate like this idiot.
Don't tense up, ma'am. Where are you going?
Settle down, bud.
Honestly, he would have had an easier time breaking Windows by installing an automatic update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more.